My dear friends, welcome to Ralph's Life in Nature here at the Algarve in Portugal, and welcome to the new concert season here in the Songbird Amphitheater. I'm getting very excited and can't wait for the opening of the concert season on May 1st. And as first concert we have NUJUM. NUJUM is a group from the West Algarve, and we had a wonderful full moonrise concert with NUJUM last year. And the 1st of May is again a full moonrise concert. A special guest is Rollin Rachelle. He is also living here close where I live, and he's singing overtones. I think we're gonna have a beautiful concert with NUJUM and Rollin. The second concert in May is on May 23, and it's gonna be Robert Duif. He is from the Netherlands and he is singing blues and gospel. He won a few European blues prizes as a young blues musician last year and the year before. And also he was a recommendation by my friend Nanuk. He came here last year with a fantastic blues concert. Some of you may remember that. So those are the two concerts for May, but there will be more. So in total, the concert season here in the Songbird will have 11 concerts. They will be announced later. I can also say that on the 1st of May I'm launching my new website, which gives you also an introduction to the Songbird Amphitheater and everything that's going on here at this little paradise place. And there will also be a feature article in Algarve Plus on the 1st of May. I'm very excited about that too. So for the first two concerts, the doors will open at 6 p.m. The concert starts then at 7 p.m. Contribution is 20 euros as it was in the last year, and that includes wine and water and a few nibbles. But as I always said, it's really also not about the music, it's also a socializing event here. You want to celebrate the community, the beauty of life, the beauty of music. So bring also your own little something to drink and to eat and share, potluck style event. Okay? I think that's the most important to mention for now. Oh yeah, I need to forget. Please send your place reservations from now on to me per email, ralphalgarve@gmail.com. I will collect them all, first come, first serve. We have 110 places here, and it's all weather permitted, so let's hope and pray that there will be good weather. Otherwise, if it's getting cold, bring some warm clothes with you on the 1st of May. And looking very much forward to welcome you all here and have a great time until the 1st of May. Bye bye. Ciao.